Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 215 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today we'll focus on moving gently and trusting your own pace. No rush, no pressure. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Soften your shoulders and let yourself settle. Now, say to yourself quietly, I move at my own pace. I trust the timing of my life. And this moment is enough. Let those words calm your breath. When you're ready, gently return to the present moment and carry this steadiness with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.